That gives him now, David Garrard can throw it to the end zone now. And it's going to be up to the front seven of the defense to either put enough pressure on him that he can't make a good throw or just depend on the deep guys to knock it away.
Garrard steps up, fires, Mike Sims Walker, knocked down.
Oh, he caught it! Oh, unbelievable! Mike Thomas, touchdown Jags! Ball game, 50 yards! Whoa!
David Garrard buys enough time for the receivers to get down there, and you said it, Mike Sims Walker's going to go up for it, but it's knocked to the ground right into the hands of Mike Thomas. Glover Quinn knocks it down with both hands like a volleyball player, spiking it over the net right into the catch of Mike Thomas. Unbelievable. And by rule, they'll line up for the extra point. Absolutely amazing. How many games come down to a Hail Mary, it's knocked away, nothing ever happens?
Excessive celebration on the offense. By rule, that foul is not enforced on the extra point. The touchdown is successful, and we must try the PAT.
Excessive celebration, you think?
What? Maybe the play of the year in the NFL. A 50-yard Hail Mary. Mike Thomas, what a game. 8 catches, 149 yards and a touchdown.
That touchdown.
Extra point, good. David Garrard, big strong arm QB. Let this one go. Mike Thomas, right place, right time.
Unbelievable. Glover Quinn, you see it, he does it, he knocks it away. The only thing else he could have done was to catch it. And right there, knocks it down as hard as he can, knocks it away. You know he's been coached to do that. Just knock it down, get it out of the play, get it out of the end zone, and all of a sudden it ends up in the hands of Mike Thomas.
Scintillating finish in Jacksonville as the Jags win it 31-24 on a last-second play. Mike Thomas with the huge touchdown. For Steve Tasker, this is Gus Johnson saying so long from Jacksonville. You've been watching the National Football League on CBS.